Did you know the reasons why bankers ask you for a certificate of incorporation when they are opening a company account for you? Why they do this, do not be shocked. Do not be surprised at all. Because they do this because they want to have a proof of the legal entity, because a company is a legal person. And so therefore, the registration serves in as a birth certificate of the company. So they want to know that you are clearly registered with the company, the registrar of companies. The other aspect is the reason for fraud prevention. Now, fraud prevention is important because in this day when we have a lot of fraud, banks would want to know that they are not dealing with a fraudulent person, and so therefore they would want to know if you are legitimate or not. Yeah, we also have got regulatory compliance. Now, in terms of regulatory compliance, in this day and age of money laundering and financial crime, you regulators are very keen on getting to understand that the institutions are operating a business that is devoid of financial crime, and so therefore they require for institutions to be able to provide them to provide or rather they expect compliance with the aspect of requirement of this particular document. Sometimes they may even ask you for CR12. Now, CR12 is one document that uh, poses, rather, identifies the shareholders and the directors of the institution, and so therefore that would actually show that they are legitimate. Yeah, and more beyond the CR12, and because of money laundering, what usually happens is that the banks usually send this information to the business registration service. Now, the business registration service would actually give what they call a beneficial owner, because certain times the CR12 does not give a beneficial ownership, and so therefore this is a detail that might not be known to you. Now, the other aspect is risk management. Now, in terms of risk management, it's very important that banks deal with people that they understand. They deal with companies that they understand are free from risk, because risk is something that can actually devour the profits of the firm, particularly if a company trades fraudulently. So therefore, it's very, very important for banks and financial institutions to be able to require these documents.